Have you ever felt that you explain art well, people understand you, and students learn easily from you, yet money is still inconsistent or missing? Do you sometimes think you could teach art confidently, but you don't know how that turns into stable income? If this feels familiar, this video is for you. Most artists know they can teach. They help friends, guide beginners, and even conduct small workshops. People appreciate their teaching style and clarity, but appreciation alone does not pay bills. And this is where the confusion begins. The biggest pain is not lack of skill. The pain is knowing you have value, but not knowing how to convert it into income. And then you end up doubting whether teaching art is actually viable. Slowly, confidence starts dropping. Here is something important you need to hear. Teaching art and building an art business are two very different things. Being a good teacher does not automatically mean you know how to price, how to structure, or how to sell your teaching. These are learned skills, not natural talents. Let me reframe this gently for you. If you are not earning through teaching yet, it does not mean you are not good enough. It only means you were never taught how teaching becomes a business. Knowledge without structure stays unpaid. Most artists start teaching informally. They do free sessions, low priced classes, or one time workshops, or one-to-one workshops. While this definitely builds experience, it does not build sustainability. Without a clear model, income stays unpredictable. When you understand how to package your teaching, everything changes. You stop selling hours and start selling transformation. Your confidence increases because you know what problem are you solving. Clarity attracts the right students towards you. And this empowerment will begin only when you see yourself as a guide, not just as an instructor. Your role is not just to show the steps, but to create results. Results are what people pay for, not just information. And information and knowledge is anyway available in social media for free. And you don't need thousands of followers to earn from teaching art. You don't need expensive equipment or complex technology. You need clarity about who you are helping and how you are helping. This simplicity builds consistency. When artists create structured teaching paths, students trust them more. Income becomes predictable instead of accidental. Teaching feels fulfilling instead of draining. That stability changes your relationship with art coaching. Imagine teaching art without worrying about pricing or attendance. Imagine knowing exactly what you are offering and why it works for the others. Imagine feeling respected as a mentor. Your transformation begins with this clarity. Most artists, they delay the shift for years together. They keep teaching randomly and hoping things will improve. And over time, frustration replaces the excitement. This is not failure, this indicates lack of guidance. You deserve to earn from your teaching skills. You deserve stability and confidence. You deserve visibility in your teaching business and that supports your life. And you deserve clarity instead of constant doubt. If this video made you realize why teaching alone is not enough, that awareness is very powerful. And every single change starts with this understanding. Structure is what that will take you forward. If you are ready to turn your teaching skills into sustainable art business, comment art business below. That one step can change how you earn from your art. Thank you.